Hello everyone, my name is Revalina Pramesti, a student at Bina Sarana Informatika University Pontianak. Today, I'll be explaining the material on software and operating system and hardware. First, let's discuss software and operating system. What is software? Or what do you know about software? Okay, software refers to set of instruction data or program and execute specific tasks. In contrast to hardware, which has a physical form, software is non-physical and exists only in a digital format. Software function. The function of software is to operate, control, and manipulate computer system and data to perform specific tasks such as data processing, calculation, data storage, communication, and entertainment. Software enables users to interact with computer and perform various activities more efficiently and effectively. Example of software: Microsoft Word. The most popular word processing software used to create documents, letters, reports, and various types of text. Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet software for data processing used for calculation, data analysis, charts, and tables. Adobe Photoshop, professional photo editing and graphic design software used for image manipulation, web design, and photo editing. Google Chrome, a web browser from Google used for browsing the internet and accessing websites. Those were some examples of applications used in software. What is operating system? Okay, an operating system is crucial system software that serves as a bridge between users, application, and computer hardware, managing resources and providing essential service for software application. Okay, so that's the definition. What are the functions of an operating system? The function of an operating system is to manage computer resources, regulate process and virus, manage file and directories, control security and access, and provide a user interface and manage hardware. Thus, the OS enable user to interact with the computer and run application more efficiently and effectively. Example of operating system: Linux, open source operating system with various distributed Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, popular for server and among developers. Mac OS, exclusive operating system for Apple computer Macs, known for its elegant interface and integration with the Apple ecosystem. Microsoft Windows, most popular operating system for desktop and laptop computer, latest version Windows 11. Summary: software is a set of instructions used to operate computer and perform specific tasks, while an operating system (OS) is the most important system software that manages computer resources, providing common service for application and enable users to interact with computer. Thus, software and OS play a crucial role in making computers function and helping users perform various activities more efficiently and effectively. Okay, we've just covered the definition, function, and example of software and operating system. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is hardware. Hardware. What is hardware? Okay, hardware refers to the physical components of a computer that can be seen and touched, playing a crucial role in the computing process. Hardware function. The function of hardware is to provide the physical component necessary to run a computer system such as storing data, hard disks, SSD, processing data, CPU, displaying output, monitor, printer, inputting data, keyboard, mouse, connecting component, motherboard. Hardware enables a computer to execute instructions and perform tasks given by software. Hardware components. The first component is the CPU, Central Processing Unit. Next is memory, and then storage, motherboard, power supply, input device, and output device. CPU, Central Processing Unit, the brain of the computer that executes instructions and performs calculations to run system and application, enabling users to perform various tasks and operating with precision and speed. Memory, temporary data storage used to run applications and systems, allowing for faster access and processing of data and enabling multitasking and smooth performance. Storage, long-term data storage used to store file, application, and operating system, providing a permanent repository for data and allowing users to access and retrieve information as needed. Motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all hardware components and enables them to work together seamlessly, facilitating communication between components and ensuring system stability and reliability. Power supply, the power source that provides energy to all hardware components, ensuring stable and efficient operation of the computer system and preventing damage from power fluctuation or outage. Input device, device used to input data or instruction into the computer, allowing user to interact with the system and provide input in various forms. Output device, device that display, processes data or information from the computer, providing user with visual or tangible output and enabling them to access and utilize the result of their work. Summary. Hardware is a physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched directly, with server to support the computation process. The function of hardware is to provide the physical component necessary to run a computer system, such as data storage, data processing, displaying, output, inputting data and connection component. There are 7 main types of hardware component. 1. CPU, Central Processing Unit. 2. Memory, Temporary Data Storage. 3. Storage, Long-Term Data Storage. 4. Motherboard, Main Circuit Board. 5. Power supply, electric power source. 6. Input device, device for inputting data. 7. Output device, device for displaying output. All these components work together to run the computer system and enable perform various tasks and operations. Okay, that's all for today's material. If there are any mistakes in my presentation or pronunciation, please forgive me. Thank you and see you next time.